Before we start, if you would like a sneak peek at the list today, check out the description below. In today's video, we will be looking at the 5 best steam inhalers. The 5th position is bagged by the Veridian Steam Inhaler and Beauty Mask. The Veridian Healthcare Steam Inhaler and Beauty Mask is a safe and effective therapy to relieve allergy, bronchitis, cold, flu, and more symptoms. This steam inhaler includes a beauty mask for aromatherapy and facial treatments. Veridian Inhaler has variable steam adjustment settings, with most therapies lasting 6 to 9 minutes. The Veridian Inhaler is easy to clean. This steam inhaler includes the inhaler unit, face mask, beauty mask, measuring cup, and a detailed guidebook. At number 4, we have the Vicks Personal Steam Inhaler. The V1200 Vicks Electric Personal Steam Inhaler comes with a compact plastic hood that fits snugly around your face to deliver direct steam relief. The adjustable control lets you choose the amount of steam that rises up into the hood. This small inhaler is compact for easy storage or travel, to work or abroad, and has dual voltage for use anywhere in the world. The number 3 pick on the list is the Pure Mist Handheld Steam Inhaler. Pure Mist reinvented steam delivery by creating an instant, fine mist that penetrates deep into your sinuses, nose, and throat for superb relief. The steam delivery is direct and targeted, so maximum humidity is delivered directly to the nose, sinuses, and throat, right where you need it the most. Its soothing steam penetrates into the upper respiratory system to provide fast symptom relief. The Mabus Personal Steam Inhaler and Vaporizer secures the 2nd position today. This stylish steam inhaler helps you take control of your cold, flu, or allergy symptoms while adding a sleek touch to any room. Start breathing easier in minutes by inhaling the warm, soothing mist. Protect your health without harmful side effects by using this natural form of therapy at the first signs of congestion. Easily control the amount of steam and the size of the particles by adjusting them to your symptoms. And the top product on our list at number 1 is the VanKerr Handheld Steam Inhaler. It is lightweight and compact and has all the basic features for receiving inhalation treatments. It is helpful for patients suffering from bronchitis, asthma, emphysema, and other lung problems. It releases cool mist instead of hot steam, making it ideal for all ages. It also has 2 airflow control systems. Moreover, you can use ordinary or distilled water with this nebulizer, depending on the prescription of your physician. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!